Now, put our zeros. We thought we at this point we should know stick doesn't go into 1, it's still we put a 0, carry the 1, we know stick goes into 10 once. So if you want you can also do this method. I'm just going to do long division. 40, we can have, so stick goes into 40 how many times? Stick times. So 30 stick, which is 4. And then this goes into stick again. And then, yeah, so on and so forth. And you may be realizing, how do we ever get a 7? Now, technically, if you think about it, 1 over 6 is 0.1 6 repeating. So we can put this sign here, or this sign. I'm just going to put them both above the 6, just for simplicity's sake. But remember how I showed you for 1/3, you can also round it, which is why we have this like wiggly looking equal sign. That's basically what that means. So if you round it, you could get like stuff like hold on, 0.2, or you can also get 0.1, and then you can get 7. Or if you round it another way, you should know you can get 0.167, and so on. Does that make sense? So that's why. Now 1/7, we are almost at 1/10. And now what is this equal to? Let's see. Yeah, so that's like so confusing once again. But let me take you through it. Now we can do this method here. Okay. Now 7 goes into 1 0 time. Put a 0 there. Put another 0 because we'll need 1. Put 1. So 7 minus, so that's 3. 30. We know 7 goes into 30 4 times. 28. 2. Bring down another 0. How many times does 7 go into 20? 2 times, because that's 14. And now we get 6. Bring down another 0. And then how many times does 7 go into 60? You know, it goes into that 8 times, which would be 56. And then you get 4. Oh, well, thank you. 40, because you bring down another 0. And then this goes, 7 goes into 40. How many times? Well, that would be 6 times. Okay, and then now minus 7 times 6 is, yeah, no, I'm just joking. It goes into 5 times, okay? Because 7 times 6 is 42. Now you may be wondering, like, then why did it say 6? Don't worry, whoops, I did not mean to do that. I guess that can be for next time, maybe? Gone actually. But remember what I told you. That might be approximated. And that, but anyway, so we have 5. Why is that saying stick T? That's not a stick. It's okay, but 5. We have 5, 50. And now we have bring down another 0. How many times is 7 going to 50? 49, so 7 times. And then it's just 1. And at this point, I think you understand that this is kind of like infinite in a way. Like, they're going to be infinite stuff and, loops. But we don't put a dot on any of these, because the thing is, like, this is a different number every time. But eventually, we'd probably reach 1 again. Like so. And actually, speaking of which, we do, because think about it, 1, 10, and then 7. So actually, what you need to do some people basically you put a dot on all of them to imply that all of this batches of stuff goes a batch of numbers goes on forever. So we have 0.142857 repeating. So, but you wouldn't say 0.1 repeating and then 42857 because that's saying like 0.11111 and then eventually 42857. So that's why you put a dot on all of them. Does that make sense? And you don't have to put it on only 7 because that's saying that's 0.14285777777 and so on. And that's approximately that size is approximately 0.1428 because 5 and then 7, so that's about 5, so it would be rounding upward, so 0.1472686, right? That's probably one of the more confusing ones yet, but it's okay. Now we have 1/8. This one, now most people would probably think this, 1/6 and 7th were also so complicated, right? So this one probably would be. No, it's actually just only 0.125. Now don't get me wrong, that is more complex than 0.25 or 0.5, but no. That's why, but it's still pretty simple compared to 0.14286. That's right. So, anyways, let's quickly answer this. Now, if you really want, you can do this the cool method. Why? And let me tell you what that is. 4/8, we know that's 1/2, which we know is also equal to 0.5. Does that make sense? So that implies that you can do in a way, like, how can I say this? Oh yeah, you can do divide by 2, which is equal to 0.25. Because let me quickly explain why. Because 4/8 divided by 2, if you want, you can use KCF to get 0.25. But specifically, let me quickly explain to you why. This would be using KCF. It would be times 1/2, which is equal to, let me just 4 times 1 equals 4. 8 times 2 equals 16, and this is equal to 1/4. And I think we know 1/4 is 0.25. So that's why. And then if you want, you divide it again and you get 0.125. But if you can't do that, then you can obviously do what we've been doing this whole time, long or short division. Okay, next up is 1/9. And let's just quickly see what this is going to be. Solve it, please. Yeah, okay, so 0.11111111. I think you guys can quickly visualize why that would happen. So, wrong way, sorry. Wrong thing. Just ignore this. What? Okay, let's cross it out. Why is that happening? I don't know, but let's try this again. 9. Is it really not letting me go any further? Oh, I wish the, oh my god. It's so laggy for some reason. Okay. 9 into 1, okay? Sorry, I just need to wait for it to load them fast. What? Oh. Surely should load in, right?